Hey everybody, and welcome back to Cape Fear Court. Today we have a pond with a fish, a particular fish that has basically an open sore. It looks to be caused by a parasite. It's behind the fin. It's the butterfly, and it wasn't here. This is a pond that I manage, and the wound wasn't there on Thursday. It was my last one. I do this pond twice a week. So I got a photo this morning of the fish saying that this had just popped up. She didn't see it over the weekend. So we are going to go get some medication. We're going to run by the store, and after that we're going to head to the pond. We're going to catch it, put it in a bowl, and apply it to the wound and set it free. It's a pretty straightforward process, but just in case if you have this sort of issue with your fish, we're going to show you what it is and how to do it. All right, we're trying CVS. Here's one of them right there, heading in. All right, we found the stuff here at CVS. The Walgreens didn't have it, but this is what it is. It is merthiolate. Very easy to apply. Just take a swab and put it on there. It's really simple. We're gonna show you what to do. We're gonna take the fish out, dry the wound, apply, and we should be in good shape. All right, so we're here at the property. Now we're gonna go catch the fish and put them in the bowl. We'll show you what we use, what we're gonna use for this little process, and we're gonna go from there. All right, so we've got all the supplies laid out, and we're gonna zoom in on them and show you what we need for a pretty simple operation. These guys. Here's the crew here. We're all gonna help behind the scene. Thanks, guys. All right, so one thing we're going to do here is, with all the supplies, we do have a pan to put the fish in, a viewing bowl, but we're going to attempt to keep the fish in the sock. This particular sock holds water, so for ease of use and stress on the fish for less handling, we're just going to put it right in the sock and hopefully just dry it off, apply it, the medication, and then let it go on its way. Viewing on that zoom in right here. So.
Yeah.
So it's really important. You don't want to get this in the fish's gills or eyes. So you want to dry the wound. So the medication sticks to it.
Dry. I got the bottom. I got this now.
Just in case.
I guess obviously you don't want to try to make that any worse. So don't put hard pressure or anything on it.
Yeah, and you don't want it to run in the water so it doesn't hurt the fish.
The medication?
Yeah. Okay, it's applied. Take the net out.
The big net? Nicely done.
Okay, so we also have this large orange redfish here. It has a mark, a dark mark near its back. It's been there for a little while. Hasn't really changed, but while we're here, it may be a sore on it. We're gonna take a look at it while we've got some medication and see if it's something that needs to be treated. So while we're here, we're gonna make the best of the situation.
I'm not stabilizing.
Is it a dead scale?
Yeah, it looks like a bad scale.
Like it means on here.
Yeah, I think it's a new scale trying to pop up from underneath it.
Did you do it while we're here?
Yeah, let me
it's all right
let me
there.
just-
Okay, no.
Trying the wound first and then applying the medication.
Okay, it's lowered. No big deal. Just got a little stuck.
Good to go.
Okay, so that does it for today. The fish seem to be doing pretty good. They're swimming around, acting pretty normal. I know some people will pull the scale every so often, but being that we're going into winter, I didn't want to expose any kind of fresh skin or an open wound. So I let it be and hoping that nature takes its course to push that one scale off. And as you see, that net I used was fairly small. That net was a house net on the job there. I don't know how old that net is or how long it's been there, but they definitely need to upgrade in size. That was a 24, and usually a 30-inch will do pretty good for just about every situation for most homeowner koi. Those nets cost roughly $80 for the 30-inch. They can go up to the Japanese ones are roughly 200 bucks, so they can be a little expensive, but you can get an affordable one for about 80 bucks. This particular medication is obviously over the counter. It's a good idea to get a variety of medications just on hand to keep them basically in a koi medicine cabinet. And I could use other stuff, but I didn't have anything basically in stock at my house at the moment, so this is what I used this time. But if you use something at your place, what do you prefer? Leave a comment below. I'm sure people would love to just get a better idea on what else is out there and maybe what the price point is. And if you like the video, won't you please give it a like and hit subscribe, and we're going to continue to keep making little videos, well, basically we're going to wait till the next one and we're going to see you there. All right, thanks a lot, and thanks for joining Cape Fear Koi. See you. Now's a great time to hit subscribe and the like button. See you next time. Thanks again.